Mwathani aroiga mungurire tha na tithere ya Calculator ndirenda tha ya Movado mucoke angimungurire tuindo twega we ta twa Gucci tondu ndi ndungata ya Ngai. Na mbere ya kuhura kanwa ukirigwo kuri ukundutira theo ni uria unyendete na niguo kumire iyo ti miario yakwa ni ya ndungata ya Ngai njitiririe maguta gukirwo igwitwo Carlton Funderburg. Na tondu ndirenda gukuboa na maundu maingi umuthi ni twambike thabari kuri mweri-ini wa kaini wa 2022 ndirio muhunjia uyu atheremaga haria nenda-ini ni undu riria ahunjagio nirio aririkanire mwaka ucio ungi wari ho wa 2021 nietitie acirika ake tha ya Movado na tondu matiagurite akiuga ni mukunjitikia na haha niho amarumaga akimeraga ni andu aharu na matangimenyekana uria mahana ni undu wa kwaga kugurira ndungata ya Ngai tuindo
You can buy a Movado watch in Sam's.
Yes, you can. Yes, you can.
And y'all know I asked for one last year. Here it is the whole way in August. I still ain't got it. Y'all ain't saying nothing. Let me kick down the door and talk to my cheap sons and daughters. I don't want to hear no more excuses about what y'all can't afford. You can't afford it because you don't see the value here. Y'all hear from y'all pastor and father, I'm over y'all. I'm over your cheap expressions. That's how I know you still poor, broke, busted, and disgusted, because of how you've been honoring me. I'm not worth your McDonald's money.
Come on. Come on.
I'm not worth your Red Lobster money. I ain't worth your St. John knit. Y'all can't afford it no how. I ain't worth y'all Louis Vuitton.
Come on.
I ain't worth your Prada.
Come on.
I'm not worth your Gucci.
Thutha wa kuona ati anga ni gwathuka ndirio arekereirie ndumiriri ya pore akiuga ni rurimi rwa
My name is
terethire.
Carlton Funderburg. I'm the senior pastor of Church of the Well right here in Kansas City, Missouri. I want to take this moment to address the now viral video clip of me from a sermon given August the 7th, 2022. Though there is context behind the content of the clip, no context will suffice to explain the hurt and anguish caused by my words.
Ndingimaka kuigwa kuri washirika mathiaga kanitha ucio maundu mari gukinya hau ni ndaumiria.